Now that the holidays are over, it's the perfect time to get your live greens ready for recycling. Here's a friendly guide to help you with the process. I'm Marcia, University of Missouri Extension Master Gardener.
Ready to recycle your holiday greens? Start by stripping them down. Remove not only the lights and ornaments, but also the tinsel, wire hooks, ribbons, and bags. If you have a garden or yard, those greens can go right back to nature. Lay branches over garden beds for cold protection. Stack them to create a wildlife habitat, or cut them into smaller pieces to scatter and decompose. If you have a chipper, perfect. It'll turn the small stuff into mulch in no time. So where do you recycle if you don't want them for your yard? You might check websites and watch your local news and publications for a current list of pickup and drop-off sites in your area. If you live around a nearby lake or pond, they are sometimes drop-off sites. They will sink the trees to create safe havens and resting spots for their fish populations.
While it's tempting to use the trunk of your evergreen or other evergreen branches in your fireplace, it's important to note that you never use them inside. The high sap content and creosote in evergreens can burn too hot for an indoor fireplace and build up in your chimney and create a fire hazard. When burned in an open fire, that sap creates a hot fire and makes for a cozy and crackling bonfire. Just be sure to keep your bonfire safe and contained. Thanks for watching. We hope you like these tips for recycling your evergreens. Give us a like, subscribe to our channel, and until next time, we'll see you in the garden.